Mr. Andrew Holness. See Mr. Andrew Holness, Mr. Andrew Holness. Can't you, Jesus? They can't tap you. Nobody can tap you. Right, my boss. All right, my boss. What? God bless. God bless.
All right, and condolences on the past.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. God bless. Yes, sir. Touch again. Right. They can't tap you now.
Can't tap it.
Oh, we tap it.
Listen.
You must. All right.
Oh yes, guys, nobody's gonna stop us. Hey, we the green. Some people are so crying. What? Anytime I say green, hey, green is life, is the reality, whether we want to like it or not. Green continue to reign. North West Clarendon is raining all over. Massive love with green. All over on the street. In fact, it was like, who is this one passing? Hey, guys, I cannot imagine. In fact, I feel like, guys, tomorrow, I feel like flying to Jamaica because I cannot. In fact, I know how the feelings is going to look like when I see myself in Jamaica on the street. Hey, with my green color. Displaying me. Me, the real daughter of the soil, the Black Beauty TV, the melanin queen. I'm going to vote for my brothers. Some people are saying that, oh, she's in Africa. Oh, she's not even in Jamaica. I will talk. I told you people that I am part of Jamaica because of what? My ancestors are in Jamaica. So you know what? If you know, you know. We are there, gallant. Green must shine. Guys, you know, even from my window, all over in Europe now, everywhere is green. And when I see this green, I'm just thinking straight to Jamaica. Guys, do you know something? All the videos I've been watching today, you will not understand the feelings. It's all about Jamaica. I don't know. Do you people that live in Jamaica or in the Caribbean, let me not say only Jamaica, but the videos I watch today are mostly Jamaican videos. Do you people know that you are living in paradise? Oh my G. When I see the waterfalls, when I see people moving all over Jamaica, beaches, beautiful places, I said, Wagwan, why am I not in this heaven on earth? I want to be in that kind of place. Jolly my life, good weather all the time. So anyway, guys, God's time is the best. One day I'm going to find myself in Jamaica. And one beautiful thing is that I don't even need visa to come to Jamaica. I just need to buy ticket. Hey, I'm in Kingston. I'm in Montego Bay. I'm in Portland. Anywhere. In fact, you will just see me all over. In fact, maybe I will not even come back to Babylon. Maybe I will just say, let me remain in that paradise. From Jamaica, we enter other Caribbean countries. We begin to tour and see this beautiful. You know, when I was looking at those videos, I said, guys, is this real? You need to watch Jamaican videos. Because I know even some people that are living in Jamaica, maybe they are not even appreciating their country. You will not know the beauty. Forget that, you know. Anyway, let us not divert. We are not going to divert. We're going to stand gidigba on our one and only Andrew Holness. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Let us not divert. Let us stand on our topic of the day. How people are showing our one and only PM of Jamaica. Massive love on the street, market women, school children. In fact, name them all. The streets were so hot. Let us watch the video, guys, and then we come back with the real ginger and the real banger.
The grandma, force it. And they do one free market.
So you guys, that is how the thing go. Forget about the negativity. Whether you like it or not, I know the truth is always bitter. But the truth remains the truth. We cannot change the narrative. Jamaicans love their prime minister. Hey, the man of the people. Love someone. Vote for someone who is free with you guys. I'm not about PNP, JLP and all that. As I will always say, me, I do my reaction based on seeing what I see with my eyes. Jamaicans love their prime minister, whether you want to like it or not. Of course, there is the opposition party. There must be negativity from them because of what? This is politics. What do you expect? They want to also take over power after they have been ruling Jamaica for ages, and now all of a sudden, from nowhere, they were kicked out of their power from the JLP. Of course, they have their supporters. They have people that also love them in one way or the other. But look at it, guys. Look at what has been happening. I always say this thing in my channel, but people will like, she's not from Jamaica. Why is she talking? Do you want to tell me that it's only Jamaicans that sees what is going on in Jamaica? No, even we outsiders. We watch, we see, we contribute in one way or the other. Somebody even called me a racist. It's not about being racist. I'm telling you guys, it has nothing to do with racism. When I'm campaigning or when I said I love this person or when I'm for this person, it has nothing to do. I don't hate your Mark Golding or Goldiga. I don't hate him. I don't hate the PNP. You understand? I don't even know when they were ruling Jamaica. All I can say is that one can look back Jamaica before 2016 when the JLP took over Jamaica, when they came into power. We can go back to history and look how Jamaica used to look like, or how I watch videos online. I watch people. I watch bloggers that visit Jamaica. I watch the news. Now that I see that in fact, there's a lot of changes in Jamaica. I told you guys, ask yourself, me, I am not a Jamaican. How come did I fall in love with your prime minister? If he was not doing good things, if he was not exhibiting, or how do I say, if he was not there for his people, he will not attract me. He will not attract my heart and win my heart for me to come on my platform and start saying, oh, Andrew Holness is building housing for Jamaicans. Oh, Andrew Holness is going to meet the farmers and greet them. Look at how this guy is walking majestically in his country. Even though, yes, there are police there. But believe you me, guys, he goes to the people, goes to the market, try to see with himself, how are these things causing in the market? Try to interact with the people one-on-one, face-to-face. You understand? It's not about just doing campaigning and all that. You also want to know how it is people. Let us stand on this one. How did he convince me, who is not a Jamaican, to fall in love with him? If I see a Jamaican doing good and I say, oh brother, you are doing good, why can't I praise him? Why can't I congratulate him for the good things I see with my 2 eyes he's doing in Jamaica? Maybe if the PNP get their own and start doing good in Jamaica, me, if I see with my 2 eyes, I will also say, oh guys, look at what yes, I saw the one they were talking about, housing, bringing or creating or building housing for people in Jamaica, but it was all about paying or people that has money that can afford it. In the other hand, I saw Andrew Holness making these homes, building these homes for the poor people and handling it over. And as I have said, I have watched the news, and it says in the news that there is no government in Jamaica who has dedicated his life or dedicated to build homes. A lot of people are complaining, even this place, in this North Clarendon or North West Clarendon that he was. Some people are complaining that, oh, there is no road in that place, and the people are pressing him. Okay, why is it that there is no road? If the past government has done their job, there should be road there. This guy started just 2016. How many years is he in power now? Let's say 10 years he's in power. Right? So do you want him to just change Jamaica at once? You want him to change every parish in Jamaica at once? It is done from one place to the other. There is no how he's going to do the whole Jamaica at once. Ask yourself, since they handed over, since independent, if you are complaining that, oh, JLP is not doing that, JLP, ask yourself, okay, what has the PNP or other parties in Jamaica that has been going on and on and on, what have they done? If they have been doing their job, there will be roads, or there will be no road left undone in Jamaica. At least the other places would have gotten water, like the other parish that the woman refused to shake his hand. The woman was a supporter of PNP. I wonder why she did not ask the PNP, why have you been in power for so long? Why have you hold Jamaica for a very long time, and we did not have water in our own parish, in our own area? And then now you waited for a party that just started, a party that just took over. Now you are complaining that the party did not give you water. At the same time, you are supporting the other party that has been ruling you and did not give you that water. You understand? Somebody that has come interacting with you guys, he want to know your feelings. He want to know your pain. He's coming one-on-one and asking you. And you said no. You know me, I'm not a Jamaican. I'm not from Jamaica. I'm not a Jamaican. That is why I don't want to be saying things that people will see me and say, oh, she's like this. Because if I say some things, if I open my mouth and say some things, I'm telling you guys, the PNP will begin to say, oh, she's a racist. No. But the reality remains. Why can't we shine? We need to shine also. It is the reality. It is the truth. You understand? We are capable of doing this also. We can also give our best if you give us the opportunity. See how you people are looking at me. You be thinking, is she a Jamaican? I'm not a Jamaican. I'm not from Jamaica, but I love, as I have said, my forefathers, now Jamaicans. And if you know how they thing go, Niger and Jamaicans, we don't get different. So when I saw, there's a video I saw in Jamaica, they were cutting yam. I said, this is Niger. This is Niger. When I see there are some things, similarities that they do, forget about that. You people speak this your patois. We speak our pidgin English, your back to back. You understand? But this your patois. One day I'm going to surprise you people back to back because of what? You people, you carry my blood. I see they pen them. That is why it's sweetening my belly. If the PNP are good, they're going to make Jamaica. If the PNP are going to be good, are going to, okay, let's look at that way. Okay, let me finish this sentence first that I want to make. If they are good for Jamaica, why not? Who am I to say no? That is why I said that don't look me here. I'm sitting doing reaction. Is it reaction I'm doing about Jamaica, or some people say it's politics? Me, I just like, I am excited about what is going on in Jamaica. So I don't hate any PNP. You understand, guys, how the thing go? The reality remains is that Andrew Holness is the one I started following. I never followed PNP. And as I started following this Andrew Holness, I didn't even know that they were having any election in Jamaica. Honestly speaking, I was like moved. Why? Because me, I'm somebody that love humanity. I'm somebody that love someone who tolerates people. I'm someone who loves somebody who is down to earth, no matter how rich you are. But you don't see yourself in the presence of poor people like you are something special and they are nothing. I'm somebody that likes someone who sees anybody, everybody as the same. So when I started following this guy, this PM of Jamaica on IG, I started seeing this guy. He will go to families, poor people like this, poor homes. He will just go there, interact with them. You will not even see him with a lot of crowd. You will see him with very little people, or maybe one police, two policemen. They are following him. They go there, will be like interacting with them. You will see him go to people selling in small kiosks on the road. He's interacting with them, greeting them. And this thing did not start today. So there is no how you will say that it's all about election. That is why he's doing this thing. Because I also watched some of his videos where he met people that, or school children, or small kids, that he met them 3 years ago. Now they are somehow big and they still love him. I want to make videos with him or pictures with him. Are you trying to tell me that those kids 3 years back, that they met him, that he was pretending for 3 years just because he want to be elected? There is no how. If somebody is corrupt or bad to your country, believe you me, in just that first time, he's ruling your country. First time he's ruling, he will be who he is. He will display his character. Because he don't, then they will not come during election and try to pretend and be good. But I watch this guy and I see that, oh, this guy is doing everything according to humanity. That is the only thing that catches me with him. Not because of, oh, he want to be prime minister again, or oh, he want to rule. No, that is not my business. That is, yes, I won't tell Jamaicans whom to vote for. You understand? You know who is good for you, but I'm just talking based on seeing this guy, how he offers his humanity, not only now, 3 years back, 4 years back, how he has been treating his Jamaicans, his people. It is what makes me to like him, and that is all. You understand? I don't like someone that, oh, you see yourself like you are somebody big, and then people around you, you cannot. I admire also the Prime Minister of Grenada. I've always said it because I have seen him with my 2 eyes. How he walk around his neighborhood, interact with his people. Because the people elect you so that you will be for them. You understand? They did not elect you to come and show off that, oh, you are the biggest one among them. No. Look at how, do you know that I see people, when they see Andrew from the road, they run from their homes, they run from their houses just to hug this guy. This guy is hugging everybody. Everybody, in fact, the majority of Jamaicans have fallen in love with this guy. It's not all about election. Tomorrow, maybe if you don't win, which we are not even praying for that. But if you don't win, life move on. Life goes on. That is the reality. But the way he has changed Jamaica, guys, I'm telling you. See, look at the security of Jamaica. Today I was watching one Muzungu. You know what is Muzungu? We call Muzungu in Kenya people. I'm not from Kenya, right? But I always use that word because I love it back to back, especially on YouTube. So, East Africans, in Swahili, I think they call white man Muzungu or Muzungu. So I saw this Muzungu guy. He went to Jamaica. He went to make video in showing all these dangerous places. And when I was watching this video, I watched it today, I said, no wonder this guy, PM of Jamaica, his life is based on making Jamaica so safe. In fact, the safest place, he's trying to do that. And he has worked over it for so long. In fact, they have spent a lot just to make sure that the security is tight. He will come public, he will go visit youth, talk to them about being in this kind of environment or gangs. They are the leaders of tomorrow. So you understand, there is no how you are going to change my mind, because it is what it is. It's not about election. Whether he did not win election today, which I have said that nobody prays for that. At the same time, I will still see the good work, the deeds he has done in Jamaica, and I will still say, I salute you, PM or former PM. And when the PNP come in power and do their best and treat you guys, me, I'm just here sitting there. I will still come and say, okay, look at what they do is good. But now allow me, let me say what the JLP are doing in Jamaica is a good job. If you have ever sleep on the street because you don't have a home, or you ever come from a poor home, you will understand how the thing go. You will understand my point. Because a lot of people, a lot of poverty, poor people on the street, sleeping, no home with children. And then someone came and provide housing. Some people even say that, oh, this housing that they are collected, if the people die, the housing goes back to the government. That is not the main cocoa. That is not the main thing. The main thing here that we should realize is that those guys are taken out of nowhere, or how do I say, they are taken from not having a home to giving them a home. Even if you want to pay for house rent till you die, how much are you going to pay? So if someone gives you a home for free, if I say that one, somebody give me a free home in Babylon, do you know how happy I am going to be? Anyway, guys, you know we don't want to talk too much. I told you guys, if you have not joined this channel, we are all about Jamaica for now. We are going to be talking about other Caribbean islands, because me, I love the Caribbean. It's the reality. I would even prefer to travel to the Caribbean, travel to Jamaica, than travel to Africa. Is the reality. Tell them, as he's penning them, that is how our green color is suiting our belly. Please, if you are a PNP member and you are here, you are watching the Black Beauty TV, we got no bad blood. You understand? We got no bad blood. I don't have bad blood. And I don't want you to have bad blood towards me just because I am, in fact, I'm exhibiting my excitement about your country, about what your PM is doing in your country, creating different things, enjoyment for you guys. It's not for me. So I'm just happy for you guys. So don't have bad blood, because I don't have bad blood. I don't hate any mark. I don't hate Mark Goldman. I don't have any bad blood against him. So allow people that want to love the JLP, let them love their JLP. And allow the people who want to love the PNP, let them also love their PNP. That is how the thing go. And we move ahead. No shaking, no bad blood. between any party, because we are not here to fight. We are only here to ask if you want to rethink and see who is going to be the best for your country. Analyze yourself and see who has done the most beautiful things in Jamaica, and then you go ahead and vote. JLP, oh JLP, oh JLP, feeling hot, hot, hot. We're feeling hot, hot, hot. We're feeling hot, hot, hot. Hot, 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 hot. We're feeling hot, hot, hot. That is our banger of the day. Banger of the day. JLP to the world. I'm going to carry JLP even here round Babylon every day. Now green color. Because me, I like life. You understand? And green is life. So everywhere now green. I see them paint them. Anyway, guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel. And more, in fact, much love, one love Jamaica, PNP, JLP, whatever, Jamaica, one love. Think and analyze and check who is good and who is the best for your country. I'm not here to tell you whom to vote. I'm just here to celebrate what I've seen the JLP doing. If you want to tell me that the JLP are corrupt in Jamaica, the JLP are not good for Jamaica, please kindly give me the evidence, because me, I work with evidence. I don't just go saying things I don't know. I don't go saying things I did not see. I only say things I see in my channel. That is why I'm saying what I have seen that the JLP are doing to Jamaica. You understand? Okay, shout out to you all. Like the video, share the video, and we will see again. One Jamaica. Very soon I'm going to get a husband from the Caribbean. I see them pay them. That is how we sit in our belly. Have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.